Hi, this is Yusuf from TeamPicola.com. In our last video, we discussed on the load property. In this video, we are going to talk about the padding property. The padding property allows you to specify how much space should appear between the content of an element and its border. For example, let's try to put a padding to this particular div. We'll go back to our text editor, our CSS file. If you want to specify a padding, write padding. We have three ways to do it. Let me show you the first step first. You say a pixel and 0.5 pixel, for example. What this specify means is padding top and bottom you want it to be 5 pixel and left and right 0.5% pixel. Just like how we did in the margin property, it is the same procedure here. Let's try to refresh it. Let's go back to text editor and refresh browser. We have something like this. What you notice is this second div has come down to this second line because the space, when you specify a padding, if a width is specified for a box, padding is added into the width of the box. For example, this width is specified to be 11%, and later on we added 0.5%. When 0.5% left or right, when you add it that you have 1%. So this specify this div, the total width is 12%, for example. Yeah, 12%. So if you want everything to be aligned, you have to subtract that 1% from it to make it 10. So you Ctrl S to save. You go back to your browser to refresh. You see that's appeared on the second line. You get it? Or you can use the other method. You can specify it in a clockwise direction. You can specify it to be 5 pixel top, then 0.5% right, then 5 pixel bottom, 0.5% left. When you save it, you have the same effect. See the same thing. You get it? Okay. Let's try to give the padding to this box. Let's copy this line. Control C. Okay. Paste it. I'm using the second method because I find it much easier. Let's do it like this. We are going to be using the same procedure. You have to subtract 1 from this width, making it to be 88. I explain all details of this in the PDF file. You see, we have our pattern. It looks much nicer here. So in our next video tutorial, we will look at the marking property. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to share with friends. We'll meet again in our next tutorial. Thank you all for listening.